Hey guys, Roxy Saran here. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today I want to show you all of the products that are on my nightstand for a restful night's sleep. Sometimes our sleep is disrupted because of children, crying babies, throwing up dogs, whatever the case may be. So what can we do as a mom to be able to enhance our sleep? What can we do for our kiddos as well? So I'm going to give you some of the top things that I love to do. Come on in. Alright, so this is the Roam Diffuser. If you missed our video on the diffuser options that doTERRA has to offer, we'll link that above for you so you guys can check it out. I love the Roam Diffuser because it can roam anywhere you go throughout the house. Aromatherapy is so powerful. When you're breathing in an essential oil, it does things to our brains, and so it is wonderful for moods, for emotions, and for calming down for a restful night's sleep. So one of the first top things that you could do is just introduce a diffuser into your room or your children's room. Always make sure that you're working with a medical grade plastic and for a restful night's sleep. So some of the top oils that we can do, the first one is Balance. Balance Essential Oil is a blend from doTERRA that works synergistically together for calming. I love having this on my nightstand so that every morning and every night you can put this on your wrist, just like that, on your neck, and also on the bottoms of your feet. It's so easy to use. I love Balance Essential Oil because it helps ground me, just like you would think of a tree swaying in the wind. In the chaos of our everyday lives, you can feel grounded with using Balance Essential Oil. It helps me go to sleep a lot easier, and also when I wake up, put them on the bottom of my feet, helps me handle the day that's coming. And moms, you know exactly what I'm talking about. So Balance Essential Oil, also great in the diffuser and not only topically. All right, the second tip is Ylang Ylang. Ylang Ylang Essential Oil is excellent for slowing down our heart rate, helping us to connect, helping us to slow down. I love the way this smells in the diffuser. It smells crisp and beautiful aroma. When you smell it out of the bottle, it has a very floral smell to it, but don't let that detract you from utilizing it, especially in your diffuser, because it has a very clear and crisp smell, very fresh and clean when it's diffused. So it smells a little bit differently diffused. I love Ylang Ylang over my heart at night. I love keeping it on by my bedside because sometimes as we have our hormonal fluctuations in our day or our cycles, Ylang Ylang is one that helps me to calm down and be grounded. So Ylang Ylang Essential Oil, definitely a must. Excellent for the diffuser and also topically. Okay, the next one, if you're having a little bit more than the occasional night's sleep and you have racing thoughts, and what does that mean? You wake up in the middle of the night and you've got the grocery list and, oh, I forgot to move stuff out of the dryer. Yep, you're welcome, moms. Go ahead and pause and go ahead and move your stuff from the dryer if you forgot to do that now, or from the washer to the dryer. I get it, we're moms. Okay, Vetiver Essential Oil from doTERRA is a single oil. It comes from Haiti. I love this essential oil. It is so beautiful and grounding and soothing. It pairs well with Balance and also frankincense, also with cedarwood or Ylang Ylang. Vetiver helps quiet the mind. So if you've got all these scattered thoughts, what Vetiver does is it just says, shh, and then one thought at a time can come through. So I love Vetiver for calming and soothing. Again, excellent in the aroma for your diffuser, excellent topically. Vetiver also has a supplement fact on it. Remember, doTERRA essential oils are also internal. You're always looking for the supplement fact to make sure you can take it internally. So if you're struggling with restful night's sleep, maybe 2 to 3 drops of Vetiver in a capsule for you. Check that out and see how you do with that. Okay, so Vetiver, very calming, soothing, grounding. Do you see a theme here? Yes, definitely we've got a theme. Okay, Serenity is a blend of essential oils from doTERRA that works synergistically together to enhance rest and calming and sleep. I love it. My kids, when they were little especially, they would have names for all the oils. They say, Mommy, Serenity smells like a lollipop. It just smells so beautiful. It has lavender in it, but also is made up of sweet marjoram, Roman chamomile, Ylang Ylang, absolute, vanilla absolute, and then sandalwood. So it doesn't smell very florally, for example, like just lavender, so it is a blend. I love Serenity because this is one of the top things. I still remember as a young mom when my youngest was napping during the day, I would put Serenity around his ears and massage them on him, and we could not get him up from his nap. Literally, we'd rub his back and his head would be so heavy. He would try to pick it up and then he'd put it back down. He just could not get up. So I thought, okay, mental note, don't use Serenity at nap time because it was too much for him. And so that's what you're gonna get with Serenity. So I love Serenity Blend topically or also in your diffuser. Now, Serenity Essential Oil does not have a supplement fact on it to take it internally. It is aromatic and topical. And now I want to shift gears to the two things that you can take internally. They come in a soft gel, and they really help me out on the nights that I know I'm not getting enough sleep, or I really want to get restful sleep. Maybe I'm traveling, I'm not sleeping in my own bed, or I know I have a shortened night. So let's switch gears here to Serenity Soft Gels and Copaiba Soft Gels. Now, I just mentioned that Serenity oil cannot be taken internally. So Roxy, what's the difference between the Serenity capsules? Okay, so Serenity capsules is not the Serenity oil in a soft gel. Okay, so make sure that you're not taking Serenity oil internally. Serenity Soft Gel is an herbal supplement that helps promote calming and sleep for that. So Serenity, you can take 1 or 2 as needed for a restful night's sleep. It is a herbal complex made up of lavender, L-theanine, also lemon balm, passion fruit, and German chamomile. All those work really, really well together for calming and soothing. So Serenity capsules, you can take 1 or 2 at bedtime. Now, copaiba comes from the Brazil rainforest. Copaiba is excellent for cardiovascular health, for calming, for soothing, for occasional pain. So they do not only the one thing that you might be looking for today, which is sleep, but they do other things as well. With the same thing with copaiba, you can take 1 or 2 of the copaiba soft gels for occasional night's rest, or you can combine them and do 1 Serenity and 1 copaiba. So you have lots of different options. You can try 1 Serenity, see how you do with that. Try 2 Serenity, see how you do with that. Or 1 copaiba or 2 copaiba or 1 of each. So you've got lots of different combinations. That's truly what I love about doTERRA, is that there's not a one-size-fits-all approach. You get to take control of your health in a natural way. You get to see what's best for your children. For your children that can take a soft gel, they can try 1 Serenity or 1 copaiba and see how they do with that. If your children are too small and they can't take a capsule, you can always break it open with your teeth and squeeze that out on their spine or on their back. You're going to absolutely love these combinations of oils for a restful night's sleep. Make sure to set your double alarms though, because in the morning you might have a little bit difficulty waking up. I hope you found this helpful. If you're new to our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit that bell notification. We would love to see you in our next video. On the next video, we'll be talking about what does the Bible say about essential oils. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching today's video. We hope you found it super exciting and helpful to take a peek into the world of essential oils. As always, we appreciate your comments and feedback. Be sure to comment below and let us know what was your favorite part of this video. Also, if you haven't yet subscribed, you don't want to miss our next video.